The ruling party ZANU-PF has issued a stark warning to party members who resist the controversial Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, vowing expulsion for dissenters while mobilizing traditional leaders across the country to enforce compliance. ZANU-PF threatens to expel members opposing 2030 Constitutional Amendment Bill. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. A government insider at the Benjamin Burombo building in Mashingo disclosed over the weekend that the party is using traditional authorities to identify and discipline members who refuse to back the proposed 28 agenda. In quotes, this is a directive from the top leadership on this matter, the source said, speaking on condition of anonymity. Traditional leaders have been enlisted to monitor the ranks, weed out rebellious elements, and ensure total support for amendment. Party insiders say the campaign reflects a broader strategy to consolidate power ahead of the proposed constitutional changes, which critics argue would allow the current leadership to extend its hold on government. Observers warn that the use of traditional leaders to enforce political compliance risks undermining their neutrality and could heighten tensions within communities. The moment traditional authorities are used to enforce as enforcers for party politics, it erodes their credibility, said a political analyst who requested anonymity. It also sends a chilling message to members that dissent is not tolerated even within the party. As the ZANU-PF intensifies its campaign, party members and the civil society groups are watching closely, concerned that the amendment push may escalate internal division and provide broader public unrest. Doma developments are kudam ZANU-PF kuri kuno kunzi ZANU-PF pachayo mwene vari kuonekwa kunzi havasi kutogutsikana this amendment bill, especially the vice president. And panguva ino yatwa a warning, panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi maybe they're signaling or giving warnings kuti generally vakaramba vachipusha these directives, aiwa he might also be fired. Comment section medu zafungira aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.